How to make Squarespace template. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Squarespace is a popular website builder that offers beautiful and professional templates for users. However, sometimes you may want to create a custom template for your website that reflects your brand's unique style and design. In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can make your own Squarespace template from scratch using the Squarespace developer platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web designer, this guide will walk you through the process of creating a beautiful and functional Squarespace template that you can use for your website. So, let's get started. Now, over here right now, I am currently in squarespace.com. Automatically, we are going to see the templates that are available for us to use for our website over here. As you can see here, there are a lot of different templates that you can start and use for the website that you are trying to create. Now for us, we're not going to use any of this template. We're going to create our own template by clicking over here on the top right of our best template matches over here. We're going to click on build your own template. Now over here, it's going to redirect us to this page, and we're simply going to click on let's go over here, and it's setting up. So we're going to wait for a few seconds, and just like that, we're going to need to create an account before we can proceed. If you already have an account, you can simply click on login over here on the top right. But for us, we're going to go with this method over here. Now over here, it's going to ask you what you would like your site to be called. You can enter any text that you would like over here, any name about your brand or anything you would like. And no worries, you are still brainstorming. You can always update your site title later on. So for now, we're going to go with a test title over here, just like that. And we're going to click on next. Now over here, it's going to ask us to build our homepage. We have these options over here. We have a total of 6 choices over here. We have the banner, which is a big banner for our header. We could also have this as our homepage. We have this different designs that we could use. You could choose any option that you want. For me, I'm going to go with this one. And over here, we could choose the featured selling section of our page. As you can see, we have these options over here. We have this type of style, the 3 circles. We could also have this style over here. And there's also our services over here that you would like to add, just like that. You could also add this section over here. For me, I'm going to go with this part, which is shop our products. This is for my featured selling. Then for the next step, we're going to set up our about section. We could choose from all of these different templates that we could have. As you can see here, we have this one. We have an image section over here. We also have an about section here, like a Q&A if you want to have. We could have that. And we could also add socials for our page over here. From these different options that we have, we could click this. We could have this beautiful styling over here. We could also have the same thing as our first part over here. I don't recommend that you have the same thing as like that, so I'm going to use this one. You could also use this designs over here. There are multiple designs that you could go with. I'm going to go with this one. And the next one we could add is forms, like a contact form where they will be able to enter their name and email over here. For me, I would like to have a very simple one. We have a photo. We have one with photos over here, just like this, and this, and this. For now, we're going to go with the simplest one. For example, this one. And our last and next step is our footer over here. We could choose any footer that we would like to have. We have a footer with an image. We have a footer with an image on the left side, just like that. We have our simple one over here. For me, I'm going to go with this one, our first option from earlier. And this is our temporary website. Now we're going to click on next. And over here, we can add other pages to our website. As you can see here, we have a shop, services, and about and contact over here. We could disable this if we want, just like that. Or we could add them by clicking on them once again, just like that. And then we could navigate between these options over here. Now we're going to go and click next. Now in this section, we're going to choose our color palette. We could choose from monochrome monochromatic options. We have neutrals, we have bright and bold over here. We could choose this one. We're going to see what it would look like. As you can see here, it's very bold looking. We could choose this one also. We could go with a neutral color, just like that. You could choose any of this options that we have over here. You could choose, for example, this red, just like that. I'm going to go with this one for the meantime, or the black one, just like that. And I'm going to click on next. And over here, we're going to choose our font pairing. This is where we will be able to choose and design our font for our template. We could choose Omnis Pro over here. And as you can see, the design has been changed on our product. It now has this rounded type of font. We could choose any other options over here. We could go with Source Sans Pro, just like this. I could go with Archivo Black, just like that. And Poppins, Rock Grotesque over here, and many more options that we have. You're simply going to choose any option that you would like. For example, I'm going to settle with Adobe Caslon Pro, just like that. And then we're going to click on Finish. And just like that, it's going to finish up the setting. And it's just like that, it's going to finish up parts of our templates. So we're going to wait for it. And now we are redirected to this page over here, and we are able to edit our site title once again over here. We're going to stick with it for now. We're going to click on continue. And now in this page, we will be able to edit our pages. We're going to click on next, and we could also create pages over here. Click on next, and we will be able to style our page once again. We're going to get started. And over here, this is where we will begin creating and editing our design. Over here, we could click on pages over here. As you can see, we have our shop section, service demo, about section, and contact section. We're going to click on our shop section over here. And by clicking that, we would be able to add products over here. And this is our shop page right now. This is what it would look like. And as you can see here on the left side, we could add our product by clicking on this button over here. And as you can see here, these are our different products. We could click this and edit this. By clicking that, we would be able to edit our product name over here. Maybe change it to red vase, just like that. We could edit our image over here, and we could click on next. And over here, we could set our price, the stock, and currently it's on unlimited stocks. So we're going to leave that be. We're going to click on add more details. And over here, you could add like more description. You could add additional info over here. You could add image in this section, see the inventory. You could see fulfillment, organization, visibility, marketing, and checkout over here. So for now, we're going to click on save, and we're going to go back to our section over here. This is how we will be able to edit our shop section. Now we're going to go back. You could do the same thing with our service over here. We could click on the about, and as you can see, when we click this, it will automatically move it below. We could put it back over here for the main navigation. As you can see here, we could drag it, and we would be able to see it on our navigation menu on the top over here. We could also add more pages over here by clicking this button. You would be able to add blank pages, page layouts, scheduling, blogs, stores, portfolio, events, videos, folders, or an external link over here. You could choose any of this option. For example, we could choose like a store, maybe just like that. You could add a new category or a new store. You could click on a new store, and you would be able to choose like a template over here. We're going to go with this one. And over here, we're going to name our store. We're going to keep it as a store name, just like that. And by clicking that, we would be able to edit the content of our store over here, just like this. And like what we did earlier with the products that we have earlier, like the red vase, you could do the same thing by clicking on the red dot, and you would be able to edit it over here. We're going to go back to our page, and you could do whatever you want. You could add pages, you could add a brand over here. You could do the same thing I did earlier. Also over here on the top right, you could do a mobile view, just like this. You could see what it would look like on a mobile view. Now we're going to click on back over here. You would be able to also click on design, where we will be able to edit the site styles like the browser icon, lock screen, checkout page, and all of these other designs. You could also click on back. You could also edit the commerce section over here, and we would be able to like edit the payments, the fulfillment, the subscription, and publishing over here. To start our store, we're going to click on publish over here, and we're going to need to publish our store with a commerce plan. By clicking on see plan details, we would be able to see the plan for Squarespace over here. Now, to be able to publish our template that we have created earlier, we would need to buy one of these plans over here. We have the personal, which is $16 per month. The business is $23 per month. The 27 is for basics, and advanced is for $49. So you can see here, we see the different features that we are able to access over here. Now we're going to go back. Now it is up to you to explore the different sections over here. You could do the marketing, scheduling, asset library, analytics, profile settings, and help over here. And after completing all of the setup, after choosing your plan, you would be able to start and run your page and use it however you want. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.